So you just had a very wonderful activity with Vikram brother. So Om Shanti, good morning to all angels, shining stars and their parents. So today we are super excited. Huh? 3 times more excited than the first day. So now today's topic is digital avatar versus your real avatar. What do you mean by, do you know what avatar is? No one knows? Okay, let somebody say, yeah. What is digital avatar? Okay, how you are online? Are you different online and offline? Yes. How? Okay, who is saying yes, we are different? Yes, please tell. Please tell how you are different. Yes.
Unlike digital avatars, we interact with people, we talk with people by face, and also we can communicate with people without using video calls and all. People to more time spent with them.
Do you have a digital avatar? You have? Where? In learning apps. Okay. So how many of you have made digital avatars? So many of you. Wow, so today's topic is then relevant. Should we start, brother? Acha. Can you all see? Can they see the screen? This screen. Yes. Now can you see how real you look and how in your digital avatar you put so many filters? How you decorate your digital avatar? Tell. What do you do? Put some caps, goggles, or different sword or something. Okay. Chalo, let's explore today's topic. Sometimes, who is he? Minecraft. Okay, Minecraft is the game. And this is your avatar. Who have chosen this avatar there? Okay. Sorry? So now, first of all, we will talk about it, how digital gadgets are taking away our attention. Now you see on this side, you can see the real factories where if it is a potato chips factory, then the packets are being manufactured. If it is a chocolate factory, chocolates are being manufactured as the end product, right? But these are attention factories. They don't produce attention. The raw material there is your attention. They take your attention. Yes or no? Yes. You want to study, but these gadgets, they steal your attention. Yes? Mummy says, pay attention to your studies, and the moment she is away, your all attention goes to the mobile. So what is in the picture that you can see? That it is taking away your brain's attention along with your eyes, your brain, your time. This is the raw material. And what it is processing? It is giving you endless scroll. You can't stop scrolling. How many of you know the meaning of scrolling? Who can explain? Swipe videos. Mindlessly, without even thinking. One after the other. Endless. Wasting time, energy. Because that time was actually for something else. And we are consuming in this. So, every second that you spend scrolling, can you all read that? You are inside their factory. Right? Where they are taking away your attention, time, energy, and you are working for them for free. You are not, while watching the mobile, you are not the master of the mobile. You are actually working in their factory. Why? Because whatever you pay attention to, they take that data and sell it to big companies in crores of rupees. Yes. You feel that you are seeing it for free. No. You are first of all paying in the form of your attention. हाँ, इसीलिए टीचर्स क्या कहती हैं? Pay attention. You have to pay attention to the mobile. And what they are doing, the more you are hooked, the longer you stay on mobile while doing endless scrolling, what happens is, on every click they are earning. They are collecting your data. Acha, you tell me, has it ever happened with you that you were looking for, let's say, some watch? Do you shop online sometimes? Acha, what do you search for? Clothes. Let's say today you search for some clothes. Next time when you open your mobile, the same kind of, it starts showing you the ads. Yes? Yes? And they somehow understand what is your liking. They start showing you your favorite colors, your favorite brands. How they come to know? Because last time, listen to this very carefully. Last time when you were selecting clothes, the ones you clicked on, they identify, they store that data. And they sell it to those big companies who are manufacturing clothes. And they tap your data, use that data, and to earn, they show you that. And then sometimes you feel, oh wow, I was exactly looking for this. And then you start clicking it more. The more clicks you do, the more they earn. So from your clicks, they are earning crores of rupees. And you know, at the same time, they are spending also millions of rupees to find out what you click on, what you stay on. आप कितनी देर किस साइट पर रुकते हो, कितना किसको वॉच करते हो, वो ये सब रिकॉर्ड ले रहे हैं. So it's not that you are in your personal room and you are watching, nobody is getting to know. Your parents might not know, right? But all these companies, they are tracking your record. So be careful what you see, how much you see, right? So who's the master? We are not the masters of a mobile. We are working in their factories unknowingly by paying in the form of attention. Instead we are not getting something, we are paying. Humans are hooked on their gadgets and machines are learning. होना क्या चाहिए? Humans should be learning now. We take the mobile to think, okay, I will study from mobile, I will see YouTube video on photosynthesis or on some subject. और कहाँ चले जाते हैं हम? We start doing mindless scrolling. And these machines, on whatever we click, whatever we search, they are becoming better. इनको और ज़्यादा पता लगता रहता है कि इनको क्या चाहिए. वो बार बार हमको फिर से देते हैं. Yes, parents, do you agree? This is the same thing happening with all of us. We click for something, it takes our data, and then we see more and more of those things, and sometimes we end up purchasing those things we first, at the first place, we didn't need that. It is actually, I would say, manipulating our shopping also. So choose wisely. How many times it happened, मैं बच्चों से पूछ रही हूँ, you opened the phone for just 1 minute. मम्मी प्लीज 1 मिनट के लिए दे दो, पापा प्लीज 1 मिनट के लिए दे दो. Your phone is free now, just give us for 1 minute. And 30 minutes where disappear, you don't even able to understand कहाँ गए. और फिर मम्मी जब आती हैं, give me the phone. मम्मी थोड़ा सा और. किस किस के साथ होता है? You asked for 1 minute, you scrolled for 30 minutes, and even after 30 minutes, you are not giving back the phone. Yes or no? And then you sometimes fight with your parents. Why are you always taking the phone from me? What is your problem? Problem is with us. We have asked for 1 minute. You study for 20 minutes and then you say, okay, mummy, I am taking a break. और ब्रेक में क्या करते हो? फोन. और फिर चला जाता है, फिर वो इंस्टाग्राम पे चले जाते हैं. क्या क्या देखते हो? अच्छा बताओ, व्हाट डू यू सी ऑन मोबाइल? यू गो टू गार्डन. गुड. हाँ, यूट्यूब और chat with your friends. Okay, one at a time. हाँ, okay. Games खेलते हो? Park. Okay. Chess, physical chess और mobile chess? Both. अच्छा. Okay. हाँ, yes. You are not allowed to see phone? Okay. I think that's the best blessing from your parents. Who are your parents? Have they come? No? I would like to meet them. You know, you will really thank them when you grow up. Acha, what's your name, beta? Ekarth. So, Ekarth, you tell me, do you feel sometimes frustrated that your parents never give you phone? No? You feel good? Yeah, that's a good thing, huh? No, it's not because everybody who watches television only wears specs. It's not like that. Eyes may be weak for many reasons. For many reasons. It's not. You are not wearing specs, that doesn't mean that you don't watch television or mobile. किसी भी चीज से हो सकता है. Not taking care of the eyes, that can be anything like. Sorry? Parental control. Okay. You play in phone. You play in phone. Okay. So why don't you ask your parents to purchase a chessboard for you? Yes, dear child. What's your name? Ask your mummy and papa, please purchase me a chessboard. I will play physically, not on mobile. उसको टच करने का मजा ही अपना है. मोबाइल पे क्या टच करोगे? So you need not, na. You join on there only. You ask your mummy and papa to play with you. Okay? You will have more fun. Okay? And sometimes, you know, it happens. Sometimes it happens that you just want to relax. You have studied, let's say, for 2 hours. And you want to relax. Then what do you say to your parents? Give me the phone, I want to relax. Acha, let's say they have given you started scrolling. After 1 hour of scrolling, if you are allowed to do that, then do you feel peaceful, relaxed or restless? कई बार सोने से पहले हम कहते हैं थोड़ी देर मोबाइल, और फिर क्या होता है? नींद ही उड़ जाती है. So that means you know everything. You are quite intelligent, or your parents must be intelligent to tell you the harmful effects of mobile. है ना? लेकिन आप practically करते हो कि मोबाइल ना देखो. Have you ever checked how much time do you consume the content from the mobile? 2-3 minutes तो ठीक है. But 2-3 hours है तो that's very wrong. So actually phone is not the problem. Technology is not our enemy. It is the compulsiveness. Use करना ही है. And what do you mean by compulsiveness? That you are not choosing phone. Phone is choosing you actually. Your hand automatically goes on the phone. That is unconscious behavior. We should consciously choose. So technology is neutral. May I ask you all to sit down and so YouTube can teach you, it can distract you, it all depends on you. Okay. When you scroll, do you know the science behind that? When you scroll, you enjoy. Yes? How many of you enjoy? Needless to ask, है ना? सबको ही मजा आता है. लेकिन ये मजा क्यों आता है? Because in your brain, there is a chemical called dopamine that gets released. Because of that, you feel happy. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मज़ा आता है, आप कहते हो ना बड़ा मज़ा आया, तो मज़ा आता है। लेकिन जब आप स्टॉप करते हो, लेट्स से आपकी मम्मी फ़ोन ले जाती है, कहती है नहीं, नो मोर स्क्रोलिंग, ठीक है, आधा घंटा हो गया, बहुत देर हो गई, अब नहीं करना, तो क्या होता है, एकदम से वो जो डोपामिन रिलीज होता है, दैट ड्रॉप्स, एंड व्हेन इट ड्रॉप्स यू फील बोर्डम, you feel restlessness, you feel emptiness, and then you start fighting with your parents, फोन चाहिए, फोन चाहिए। कौन कौन करता है ऐसे? कोई नहीं करता। 1 घंटा व्हाट्सएप, 1 घंटा नानी से बात करते हो? 1 घंटा? मम्मी मौसी से बहुत बात करती है, आप नानी से भी बहुत बात करती है। अच्छा ठीक है, ये हम बाद में बात करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके ओके ओके, अच्छा है ना, इतनी देर डांटती नहीं है ना, अच्छी बात है ना, डांटती नहीं, इतनी देर वो इन्वॉल्व रहती हैं। लेकिन आपको नहीं अपनी नानी से 1 घंटा बात करनी है। अरे मम्मी का रिकॉर्ड क्यों रख रहे हो, आप अपना रखो ना। हाँ, बट 1 घंटा इज टू मच। हाँ, so chalo, anyway, that's good. So you pick the phone again and this is all happening. आपको कई बार देखो आपके पेरेंट्स डांटते होंगे, किस किस के पेरेंट्स फोन के लिए डांटते हैं, जरा हाथ खड़ा करके सच्ची सच्ची बता दो। इसका मतलब देखते हो ना ज़्यादा, पकड़े गए ना, देखते हो ज़्यादा तभी डांटते हैं, ऐसे ही थोड़ी डांटते हैं। अच्छा ओके, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज too much scrolling leads to release of dopamine in brain, and that dopamine keeps you hooked. And most importantly, the interesting things that you watch there, वो उसका कोई end क्यों नहीं है? Like let's say I start a book of 200 pages. I know there is an end page to this. After 200 pages I read, this book will be finished. But when you are on Instagram, when you are on video game or mobile game or any other thing, there is no end to it. That keeps us hooked, and that is wiring our brain in such a way that we are not able to come out. We will understand this phenomena today. So we have become actually prisoners of our phone. That is why they are called cell phones. Huh? Very aptly said, cell phones. And you know how much we are drowning in that? Yes. You are not allowed to do so. Good. Good. Your parents are actually blessing you. Okay? All of you, please keep quiet. Huh? Okay. Anyway, achha, let's focus here. Let's focus here. See, if you have a subscription for Netflix and all these things, no, good. And you should never get. Even if your parents have, ask them to delete it. Okay? Huh. Okay, we are all on high calorie digital diet. Elders, they are, how much calories you are allowed, you are having over than that, and kids have according to their age over. ठीक है, too much we are consuming, right? All of us, जितना हमें लेना चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं. And you know what is the impact of that? When you eat physical food more, what happens? क्या होता है? मोटे हो जाते हैं. We become obese. But have you heard about digital obesity? No? This is a new term. When you eat or consume too much from here, हमारी बुद्धि मोटी हो जाती है. बुद्धि मोटी होने का मतलब है that we are not able to see what is good, what is bad. And then if somebody, some elder tells us, no, you should not do this, we don't listen to them. इससे पहले आपकी बुद्धि मोटी हो, आज का सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसको समझने के लिए. एंड व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस हाई कैलोरी डिजिटल कंजम्पशन? distraction. Let's see. I would like you, all of you, to watch this video. इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है इधर? Because I am playing it directly from YouTube. No, it won't distract you. कैसे चलेगा? ये बात अच्छा वीडियो था बच्चों के लिए यहाँ ना डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से मैंने यूट्यूब से दिखा दूँगी पहले भी दिखाया है मैंने हाँ बट अब या तो यूट्यूब पे जाए आप कैसे जाओ अच्छा ये मैं भेजूँ फिर तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा अपना हॉटस्पॉट कर दो मेरे को लगा शांति सरोवर का ज़्यादा अच्छा चलेगा इसलिए मैंने वॉल्यूम तेज कर
Dude, what is going on with you? You seem to be in a really bad mood.
I'm just mad my mom won't let me play video games.
Well, you seem to get irritated pretty easily these days. Maybe it's not just video games. I think you have too much screen time.
What is screen time?
When you look at a screen, you can think of it as a window from the physical world to the digital world. So what kind of screens do you use to see the digital world?
Wow, let me think. We have a laptop and a tablet. I also look at the TV screen too. Does that count?
Any screen counts, not just a computer screen, but also TV screens, mobile phones, game consoles.
The screen is so small, so I didn't think it counts.
Some screens are even smaller. Some people even have a computer screen on their watch, but it still lets you connect to the digital world no matter how big or small.
I never thought of them all as screens. My mom is always saying it is not good to spend too much time in front of the screen. I thought that just meant video games. But if every screen is a screen, I shouldn't be doing homework on the computer.
Yes, but when we say screen time, we really mean playing on the computer. Games, chatting, watching videos for fun, for example. Computer time for schoolwork is not included.
Anyway, I'm upset because I don't get enough screen time, not because I have too much.
You're kidding, right? Video games and social media are like junk food for your brain. It's fun to eat, but if you take too much, it can be bad for you.
What? Time online never did me any harm. Look how strong I am.
Well, for starters, it can make you unhappy. You get addicted and feel angry whenever you can't play. Sound familiar?
Me? Angry? Whatever.
It also makes it harder for you to focus on other things like schoolwork. Your attention span can become short, and that makes school harder. On top of that, you can have physical problems. It can be harder to sleep, and you have less energy because you don't move around and get enough exercise.
But I'm not even the best player. So I should just concentrate on getting good at video games. You have to be really quick to play them, and it makes me smarter.
Playing video games makes you better at video games, but it just doesn't make you smarter. You may feel really proud when you win a game, but that feeling wears off quickly, and you will want to play again to get it back. Likewise, it can feel nice when people like pictures you post, but it is soon forgotten, and the feeling doesn't last. So, if your grades are getting bad and you're tired and sleepy all the time, then you might have a problem. You need to step back from the screen and get more balance in your life.
Are you saying I need to get a life?
Yep. I'm not saying don't have fun online or don't try to get better at games. Just don't do it at the expense of your grades and health. Your life can have some junk food, just not too much. You have to control your screen time.
Okay, got the message? 8 hours of smart board. Okay. So that means at home you should not watch any screen, not even for 1 minute, to balance it. Okay. So now we see at our homes, even small children, newborn babies, they don't sleep unless mobile lorries are there. So if you have any small kid at your home, don't make video calls to them, don't show mobile to them. We are very happy to click photos and video call. It's harmful to them. In a home, if 4 people are together, they are all hooked on their systems. And we are always distracted. Impact of high calorie digital diet, it is impacting our brain and thinking, as you watched. It's impacting our relationships and family. It's reducing our productivity and growth and our total health well-being. We will look into that a little bit. Impact on brain and thinking. The first impact is hyperactivity. These days, children are getting more and more hyperactive. They can't, most of the parents, when they come to me, they say, our children can't sit. Keep jumping from here and there. They can't sit at one place to study. And this is a side effect of using or doing scrolling on mobile. Because the inside, our mind keeps jumping like this, and the impact of that can be seen on our bodies. Are you able to sit? कुछ कुछ करते रहते हैं, यहाँ पे तो बैठे हुए हैं. Then multitasking, doing 2-3 things at a time, inattention. We can't even watch a reel for 1 minute. We just keep switching. And it is actually leading to silent depression. Most important capability we all have is pay attention. ये हमारी बहुत बड़ी ताकत है. I give you an example. चलो, let's do an activity. All of you look around this room. Look. See? Children are having depression these days. Achha, now you come back to this. Pay attention to this. All of you look around this hall and identify what all white or cream you can see. Don't tell me. Just inside your mind. Okay? Whatever white or cream you can see, just have a look around. It may be ceiling, it may be clothes, it may be curtain, it may be paper, it may be anything else. Okay. Now all of you, sit down, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes until I ask you to do. Okay. Just tightly close. close your eyes. Now, just you saw in the hall. Now, in your mind, with your eyes closed, tell yourself in your mind what all red things you just saw. आंखें बंद, बंद आंखें. Red things you saw. I am not asking you. ध्यान से सुनो instructions. अच्छा, now open your eyes. Look around again. Now see how many red things are there. Don't tell me, just watch. Now my question to you is come back, pay attention here. You just looked around the room 1 minute before. When I asked you close your eyes and tell yourself what red things you could observe, and when I asked you to open and then see, can you see more red things as compared to when your eyes were closed? Obviously. Now you can see so many children are wearing red, bag is red, on stage so much thing is red. But when your eyes were closed, you were not able to recollect all those things, though you have seen around this room just 1 minute before. How? Why? अभी मैं व्हाइट के लिए कहती तो सब बता देते, रेड के लिए कहा तो सोचना पड़ रहा था. वाई? हाँ, because you didn't pay attention, you were actually paying attention to the white and cream. So you were selective, your attention was selective. In fact, all the colors are present around us. It's not just white. But we were selecting white and ignoring the rest because our brain is a fantastic filter. यहाँ filter लगा हुआ है. Not everything goes inside. Only that thing to which we pay attention to goes inside. Are you understanding? Like let's say 2-3 of you are not paying attention to what I am saying. So it will not go inside you. If I immediately ask you, yeah, what am I telling? You will just stand blank. Because in spite of your ears being open, eyes being open, you are not, nothing is going into your brain because your attention is not here. That is why teachers in school say, pay attention to what I am saying. Pay attention on the board, because without attention, no learning can take place. Okay? So, wherever you pay your attention to, your energy goes there and your life grows there. Your experiences are built like that. But today what we are doing multitasking. Children as well as their parents, we elders, children, so everybody is doing that. Multitasking, you understand what do I mean? When you do 3-4 things. You are chatting on the phone also, you are having some food also, and you are doing your homework also, talking to mummy also. This is multitasking. And we feel sometimes we are very good multitaskers. We can do 4-5 things at one time. We are saving so much time. How many of you feel like that? Have you understood my question? No? Yes? So how many of you do this multitasking? Yes, adults also? We all do, right? We are writing an email also, we are having some snack also, we are talking to some person also, and we are attending to our children also. When we are working from home, or even if we are working in office, we all do these kinds of things. But I would like to tell you, to all of you, that multitasking is not a must. It is a myth. You cannot actually multitasking, or you do not multitask. What you effectively do is, you shift between the tasks. सुन रहे हैं आप सभी? चलिए आ जाइए, आप में से कौन आएगा? मल्टीटास्किंग की स्पेलिंग किसको आती है? किसको आती है? अच्छा चलो, द चाइल्ड इन रेड कलर टी शर्ट का आ जाओ. नहीं इधर आ जाओ, स्टेज पे आ जाओ. Now we are going to do one activity. What is your name? Ameya. Ameya will tell you the spelling, but कैसे बतानी है? Let me share it with you. See, there is written multitasking, then it is written 1 to 12. ठीक है? First you have to tell the spelling of multitasking without seeing there, and then you have to tell the counting from 1 to 12. Are you ready? Do you want to see once? Done? Okay.
multitasking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
वेरी गुड, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर रम्या. हाँ, ये क्या है? ये तो बहुत इजी है. हाँ, ओके. नहीं, अभी हम कुछ और करेंगे. अम्या, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू रीड इट लाइक दिस: M1 U2 L3 T4 without seeing. Okay, that's easy.
M1 U2 L3 T4 I5 T6 A7 S8 K9 I10 and 11 G12.
Very good. A bigger round of applause for him. He did it flawlessly with good speed. But Amya, I would like to ask you, in which case you were more comfortable, first or second? First one. Though he did quite well. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. But we could easily identify, though it was not very obvious, but still we can identify earlier when he was doing first the spelling and then the numbers, he was like doing with very less effort, right? And in the second case, he has to, when he has to switch from letter to number, number to letter, letter to number, number to letter, every time he has to make a switch, he has to pay more attention. And that attention, paying more attention, means this is called brain switching penalty. When we have to switch, every time brain uses more energy. It is like this. You can all see. When he was doing one task at a time, in the first case, his brain was like this. And when he was doing switching between letter to number, number to letter, this gray part, as you can see here, he was actually wasting his brain energy, though he was able to do it flawlessly. And that is why when we multitask, we consume, our brain has to use more energy, and that is why we get tired easily. Mentally we are tired. आज इसीलिए हम physical work से नहीं थक रहे हैं, हम मन से थक रहे हैं. Because we are too much, doing too much, using our brain too much. So आपकी जो age है, अभी से one task at a time. If you are playing, pay full attention to your play. If you are studying, pay full attention to your studies. If you are talking to your parents, look into their eyes and then talk, right? Whatever you do, pay full attention to that. Try to monotask, do one task at a time. When you are eating your food, just eat food. Don't see any screen. Okay? Fine. Don't watch any YouTube or something like that. Are you understanding? And the same goes to parents. I would like to request all of you, your meals should be screen free. First, you have to be the role model for your children. Right? और बाकी बच्चे क्या करेंगे, सभी बच्चे क्या करेंगे? अगर मम्मी पापा खाने के टाइम फोन यूज करें तो व्हाट विल यू टेल देम? मल्टीटास्किंग मत करो. नहीं, ये नहीं बोलेंगे. मम्मी पापा हमारे साथ खाना खाओ, फोन के साथ नहीं. ठीक है? ओके. So multitasking, it reduces your IQ, EQ, leads to stress, reduces your productivity. So one task at a time. Attention is required for all the learning, whether you are learning skating, swimming, or some musical instrument, right? Unless you pay attention to that, it will not get registered in your brain. I am not going into the science of that, लेकिन मैं एक छोटे से diagram से आपको बताना चाहूँगी. On the left side, this is the part of the brain. And what you can see is these are the neurons which are connected with each other. When you learn something, either a new concept or a storybook or some musical instrument, whatever, then in your brain, there are more connections made. New neurons are produced, irrespective of your age. No matter even if you're 60, 70, 80, then also it is happening. That's why science today say we should always keep learning something. कुछ ना कुछ हमें सीखते रहना चाहिए. बट मोबाइल क्या करता है, हमें उस सीखने से दूर करता है और सिर्फ हमारे सामने बनी बनाई चीज़ें देता रहता है. इट किल्स आवर क्रिएटिविटी, right? It kills our productivity. So it's very important unless you, and how this is happening, ये neural circuits कैसे बनते हैं? When you pay attention. So learning is equal to paying attention plus repeating that thing again and again. Okay? And this property of brain is called neuroplasticity. Though you are quite young, बहुत छोटे हैं आप ये समझने के लिए, but मैं बहुत easy तरीके से इसको आपको बताती हूँ, that when we pay attention, सर्किट्स बनते हैं ब्रेन में, पाथवेज बनते हैं, पाथ बनता है, राइट, ठीक है, एक रास्ता बनता है अंदर, और जितना ज़्यादा हम उसको रिपीट करते हैं, डेट पाथ बिकम स्ट्रोंगर, एंड द मोर स्ट्रोंगर इट बिकम्स, द बेटर लर्निंग फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. जल्दी याद होता है और ज़्यादा टाइम तक आपको वो याद रहता है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी. और इसमें मैं आपको खास बात कहूँगी, ब्रेन इज़ अ तथास्तु मशीन. आप जो इसको कहोगे, आप इसको कहोगे मैं नहीं कर सकती, वो कहेगा तथास्तु. आप कहोगे क्यों नहीं कर सकते, आई कैन डू इट, वो कहेगा तथास्तु. Whatever we say in our mind, brain absorbs those vibration and secrete our hormones, जो हमारी बॉडी को वो करवाता है. ये मैजिक किसी को नहीं पता, ये साइंस किसी को नहीं पता, भी नहीं पता ना आप में से किसी को. Whatever we say, जब आप कहते हो मैं नहीं कर सकती, मैं नहीं कर सकता, तो ब्रेन सुन रहा होता है. ब्रेन उस टाइम आपकी बॉडी में वो केमिकल्स रिलीज करता है सो दैट यू कांट डू दैट थिंग. आपको लगेगा इतना लंबा आंसर, आई कांट रिमेंबर. ब्रेन को मैसेज मिल जाता है, ब्रेन वो हार्मोन सिक्रीट करता है जो आप याद ही नहीं कर पाओगे. यू विल फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट लेट्स से आपने कहा कि ओ आई कैन डू दैट, लास्ट ईयर तक नहीं होता था, नाउ आई हैव ग्रोन अप, आई हैव कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्लास, माई ब्रेन इज डेवलपिंग, आई कैन डू दैट. तो ब्रेन को लगता है अच्छा मैं डेवलप कर रहा हूँ, वो कहता है तथास्तु. This is reality. Science has proven that. Our brain accepts, our brain releases those hormones that makes it possible for us. That's why I said brain is a tathastu machine. It helps us to do what I think I can do. And it helps us not to do that thing which I think I can't do. So it all depends on us. So practice. When we practice anything, we start doing anything, new connections start growing in our brain with 1 week practice. With 1 week. Continuous you have to do for 1 week, then your brain structure starts changing. और 7 weeks तक जब हम करते हैं तो हमारे ब्रेन में अच्छे ऑब्जर्वेबल चेंजेस आ जाते हैं और हमारी नई हैबिट्स बन जाती हैं. सो इफ, सुनिए बच्चों सुनो, इफ यू हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ स्क्रोलिंग ऑन फोन, तो आप उसको ख़त्म कर सकते हैं. कैसे? पूरे 1 वीक तक नहीं, पूरा डिटॉक्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, पूरे 1 वीक तक आप सेट कर लो, मुझे मोबाइल नहीं देखना है, इन चीज़ों के लिए नहीं देखना है, जो चीज़ टाइम वेस्ट करती है, ठीक है. एंड देन कंटिन्यू इट फॉर फ्यू डेज, और आप देखोगे आपका ब्रेन सपोर्ट करेगा. बट उसको अटेंशन के साथ करना है. दीज फोन्स दे आर किलिंग आवर रिलेशनशिप्स. आज घर में सब मोबाइल पर लगे हुए हैं. हाँ, पहले पापा मम्मी काम से आते थे, बच्चे भाग के उनसे मिलते थे, अभी मोबाइल पे लगे रहते हैं. ऐसा होता है? मम्मी पापा भी कई बार अपने फ़ोन पे लगे रहते हैं. सो अच्छा, मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहूँगी, कितने दिन हो गए आप लोगों को अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, या पेरेंट्स को दिन हो गए अपने बच्चों के साथ आँखों से आँखें मिलाए 5 मिनट आपस में बैठे, जहाँ कोई मोबाइल नहीं था, स्क्रीन नहीं था, कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं थी, जस्ट यू एंड योर पेरेंट्स वर सिटिंग एंड टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. देखो, जस्ट मुझे नहीं बताओ, जस्ट अपने आप में सोचो कितने दिन हो गए या महीने हो गए? 3 दिन हो गए. कल ही करी थी. अच्छा, और बाकी सब? चलो, एनीवे, it is important that we should interact with each other with full attention. Whenever you talk to your mummy, papa, look into their eyes And I request the parents also to do the same. When you are talking to them, look into their eyes. हम कई बार बच्चों को कहते हैं, तुम्हें पता है हम अपने मम्मी पापा के आंखों के इशारे पर चलते थे. किस किस ने कहा है और कौन कौन चला है अपने मम्मी पापा के इशारों पे? जरा बड़े बताएं. छोटों से नहीं पूछ रही मैं, बड़ों से पूछ रही हूँ. हाँ, चले आप अपने मम्मी पापा के मतलब आंख से समझ जाते थे वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. Who all have done that? Yes. बट हम आज क्या कहते हैं, हमारे बच्चे हमारे इशारों को समझते ही नहीं हैं. मैं कई बार पेरेंट्स से पूछती हूँ, आपको कितने दिन हो गए अपने बच्चों की आंखों में देखे हुए जो वो आपके इशारे समझेंगे, है ना? क्योंकि वेज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशंस आर रियली चेंजिंग. सो वी शुड सिट विद देम एंड वी शुड हैव मोर आई कॉन्टैक्ट विद देम. पहले खाना कभी ऐसे खाते थे और अभी खाते भी हैं तो सबके मोबाइल फोन्स होते हैं. So dinner should be, our dining table should be screen free area, screen free zone. अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोग अपने अपने कमरे में खाने लगो. डाइनिंग टेबल के लिए कहा है ना, बेचारा डाइनिंग टेबल तो खाली है और बाकी सब अपने कमरे में खा रहे हैं. योर फूड शुड बी स्क्रीन फ्री. ठीक है, हो सकता है. कौन कौन कहता है कि मेरी ऑल मील्स वुड बी स्क्रीन फ्री? स्क्रीन फ्री मतलब जो अभी वीडियो में समझा, नो टीवी, नो मोबाइल, नो टैबलेट, नो लैपटॉप. पेरेंट्स आपके बिना कैसे खाएंगे स्क्रीन फ्री? बिग हैंड फ्रॉम एवरीबडी. स्क्रीन फ्री फूड. पापा कांट डू ना, तो जस्ट रेज योर हैंड ना. सो यू आर रेडी ना टू कंटिन्यू? Yes. Okay, good. It's impacting your emotional, physical well-being. अभी जरा physical well-being के लिए सब खड़े हो जाएं. सब खड़े हो जाएं. एक अच्छा सा भैया सॉन्ग लगा दीजिए, डांसिंग सॉन्ग. कराएंगी कोई दीदी आकर डांस कराएंगे बच्चों को? हाँ, वो क्या है? अच्छा चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट किड्स. ओके, ऑन योर टोज, गेट सेट गो. स्टैंड ऑन योर टोज विथ बोथ योर हैंड्स अप. ताड़ासन. यस. नाउ स्लोली कम डाउन, देन अगेन अप, डाउन. ट्विस्ट टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट, लुक बैक टुवर्ड्स योर राइट, अगेन ट्विस्ट टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट, राइट. Now your right leg up, left leg up now, then right leg, left leg, right, left. Okay, now jump. Wow, गाना भी कितना अच्छा लग गया. चलो चलो करते जाओ.
चकरका चीचा चो चकलोरम गंडो वंडो लकरकटम अक्को टक्को इडी गिडी गिडी गो इडी पाई चिकी चकचो गिली गिली मल सुलु सुलु मल मकरका.
देखो डांस करोगे तो सॉन्ग चलेगा.
चिक्को चिक्को सिली 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 गो
उछलते रहो जी सब.
चिकी चकचो.
चलो कुछ कुछ करो, हिलो. चलो चलो आओ डांस करो. आ जाओ स्टेज पे आ जाओ. देखो पेरेंट्स आर डांसिंग, बच्चे खड़े हैं.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है?
यस, कम ऑन.
ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई? हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है? चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई? बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं? हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ. चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले. सापा धारे
it down. So you see how much this stretching of your muscles is required. But when we scroll, we end up scrolling endlessly without moving our body. And it has so much of bad impact on our body. Okay. Today, how many of you take selfie? And what do you do with that selfie? इंस्टा पे? आपका अकाउंट है इंस्टा पे? ओह दे अच्छा ओके नो इश्यूज अच्छा दोबारा से हाथ खड़ा करो कौन कौन सेल्फी लेता है अच्छा फिर वो किसको दिखाते हो सेल्फी कहाँ लगाते हो इंस्टा पे लगाते हो और फेसबुक पे भी अच्छा हाँ एक बोलना सुनाई नहीं दे रहा सुनने दो ना सुनने दो yes okay flowers insects you take pictures of them nature अच्छा clouds okay हाँ जी देखो कई सारे बच्चे आप तो उसमें से हो ही नहीं बिल्कुल यू आर वेरी नाइस लेकिन मैनी दे टेक देयर सेल्फीज टू फील मोर पॉजिटिव अबाउट देमसेल्व्स टू फील गुड एंड शो ऑफ एंड दे यूज मैनी फिल्टर्स ऑल्सो टू गेट मोर लाइक्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया टू गेन अटेंशन फ्रॉम अदर्स रोज जब सुबह अपने आप को देखो ना अपने रियल एवतार को देखो शीशे में तो एक बार थम्स अप कर दिया करो उसे हाँ उसको और कितने भी लाइक्स देना हो ना सारे लाइक्स दे दिया करो नो नीड फॉर एनी लाइक्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया ओके सोशल मीडिया इज अडिक्टिव ठीक है डिस्ट्रैक्शन इज स्लो डिस्ट्रक्शन एक्चुअली इट इज लीडिंग टू मैनी ई डिजीजेस आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू दिस वीडियो टू यू
जो पढ़ाई में बहुत होशियार था और हमेशा टॉप करता था एक दिन उसके पापा ने उसे एक नया मोबाइल गिफ्ट किया मयंक ने सोचा थोड़ा गेम खेलने में क्या हर्ज है धीरे धीरे वह मोबाइल पर ज्यादा समय बिताने लगा स्कूल के बाद का समय अब खेल के मैदान में नहीं बल्कि मोबाइल स्क्रीन के सामने बीतने लगा कुछ हफ्तों में ही मयंक की नींद कम होने लगी आंखों के नीचे काले घेरे बनने लगे और उसकी ऊर्जा भी खत्म होने लगी एक दिन मयंक को स्कूल में टेस्ट के दौरान सिर चकराने लगा और वह बेहोश होकर गिर पड़ा डॉक्टर ने बताया कि उसकी तबीयत मोबाइल की वजह से बिगड़ी है घर लौटते वक्त मयंक ने सोचा क्या यह सच में सिर्फ मोबाइल की वजह से हुआ
क्या ये सच में मोबाइल की वजह से हुआ तो क्या करना पड़ेगा फिर
नमस्ते
तो क्या करना पड़ेगा इसलिए हमें कुछ और ऑप्शंस देखने पड़ेंगे ना मोबाइल पे ना खेल के वी हैव टू प्ले आउटसाइड विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड देयर इज अ 20-20-20 रूल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस लाइक इफ यू हैव टू रियली स्टडी अभी नहीं लेकिन जब आप थोड़े बड़े होंगे और लेट्स से यू हैव योर पेरेंट्स आर वर्किंग तो 20-20 रूल है आफ्टर एवरी 20 मिनट्स ऑन स्क्रीन लिसन आप ये अपने पापा को मम्मी को जाके बताना है आपको After every 20 minutes of screen viewing, take a break of 20 seconds and watch something 20 feet away. क्योंकि continuously आप स्क्रीन पर यहाँ देख रहे हैं तो take a break of 20 seconds after 20 minutes and watch something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. तो इससे आपकी आंखें ठीक रहेंगी. And I would like to show you one more video कि जो हम
If a kid's head is always tilted down, glued to a screen, their neck is paying the price. That forward posture, it's pulling on muscles that should hold the head up. Over time, the spine starts to lose its natural curve. Discs between the bones get squeezed. Ligaments stretch out. And eventually, the vertebrae bones can start slipping forward. This strain can lead to drop head syndrome, where your child can't hold their head up.
So, and you know, this tendency is like children are more prone to this. Otherwise, it's harmful for everyone, even for adults also. But children are more prone to it because their bones are developing, and this is what something happens in their neck. So इसलिए maintain your posture, and even if you have to watch something on YouTube or you have to watch something on mobile, please make a stick, use a stick, so that your eye level and the screen level is at the same level.
If your kids
So this is the right posture. Maintain that. Okay? And please stretch while you study. Also do lot of stretching like we have just done. So I'm not saying that you have to disconnect from the world by disconnecting from your phone, but yes, we need to learn to connect with it better. So what are the ways to unplug or detoxify? There are few simple things what we can apply at our home. First of all, how many of you set alarm on your mobile phone? बाकी सबके अलार्म मम्मी पापा है? मम्मी पापा उठाते हैं, ठीक है. Okay, so purchase an alarm clock. Okay, because when we use mobile as an alarm clock, we not just switch it off, but we take the mobile in our hand and start watching it. And mobile should not be the first thing in the morning for anybody. हाँ, साउंड इज ऑल्सो, अलार्म की इरिटेटिंग है ना, बाकी तो उसमें सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना मोबाइल में. सो इसलिए परचेज एन अलार्म क्लॉक. यस बेटा, सॉरी, ओके, दैट्स ओके, दैट्स ओके. देन सेकेंड इज screen free meals. All meals should be screen free. Third is e-free bedroom. Before you sleep, if you can put your mobile phone outside, or if you can have a mobile phone station, a place at your home where all the mobiles are put. Can we do that? Talk to your parents if we can do that, okay? Then switch off notifications. ये तो इजी काम है ना. वो बार बार टिंग 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 करता रहता है और हमारी अटेंशन को खींच लेता है. देन मोबाइल फास्टिंग वंस अ वीक. लेट्स से इफ यू मोबाइल फास्ट फॉर, बड़ों के लिए 4 hours अ वीक, ठीक है, बड़ों के लिए 4 hours अ वीक, बट बच्चों के लिए पूरा एक दिन मोबाइल ऑफ. क्या करोगे उसमें? कितना खेलोगे? हाँ, पूरा दिन खेलोगे? घर में नहीं टिकोगे? अच्छा, सोओगे? हाँ, ठीक है, गो आउट. ओके, मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ डैट कि उस दिन पूरे हफ्ते लिस्ट बनाते रहो, मेरे को उस दिन ये वाले काम करने हैं, ठीक है. कोई आपकी अनकम्प्लीटेड वर्क हो, कोई होमवर्क हो, प्ले हो, किसी से मिलने जाना हो, घूमने जाना हो, बट विदाउट मोबाइल, विदाउट मोबाइल, ठीक है. एंड देन बिफोर स्लीपिंग, 1 hour बिफोर स्लीपिंग, यू शुड लीव योर मोबाइल. You should not touch. It's harmful for your brain. Okay? So don't use mobile. Parents use, okay, that's okay, but you don't use. And parents should also, at least half an hour before you sleep, you should stop using mobile. So your real avatar and your digital avatar. दोनों में क्या फ़र्क है? You have already told me few of the points. This avatar exist in the real world, और आपका digital avatar that exist in your phone or your app world. You experience, you have real experiences, और वो किस पे grow करता है? Likes पे, follows पे. You get hungry also, you get tired also, bored also, लेकिन वो कभी नहीं सोता है. It's always on. And that is why, you know, I have seen some teenagers what they are doing, even while they are sleeping, they purposely get up at night for 10 minutes. I don't know what they do in their game. What was it? What is the demand of the game? I don't know. But they do something in their game to keep them updated, and then they go to sleep. बाकी सबके लिए अलार्म लगाना पड़ता है. For that they don't even have to put alarm. At 2 o'clock at night they are opening their phone, and then they are doing something, and then 4 o'clock they are doing something, so that they remain, and their game continues while they are sleeping. I don't know what they have done, but it's always on. तो ऐसे के साथ हमें नहीं रहना है. Here you are the master, वहाँ पे app is the master. वो app चला रहा है ना हमको. So choose wisely and be real. अभी आपको क्या करना है मुझे बताना है 3 थिंग्स आई लव डूइंग इन रियल लाइफ. 2 कॉलम बनाओ अपनी डायरी में, अभी बनाओ. नोटबुक में 2 कॉलम. ऑन लेफ्ट साइड राइट 3 थिंग्स आई लव डूइंग इन रियल लाइफ विदाउट एनी गैजेट. And then digital me 3 things my phone thinks I love. फोन भी सोचता है, उसका भी दिमाग है. वो क्या सोचता है मुझे पसंद है और सच में मुझे क्या पसंद है, विदाउट फोन मुझे क्या पसंद है. जल्दी लिखो लिखो. अच्छी बात है. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. आप अपने लिए तो लिखो ना. फर्स्ट 3 थिंग्स तो यू कैन राइट ना, व्हाट यू लव डूइंग. लिखो लिखो. एक दूसरे से क्यों पूछ रहे हो, आप लिखो ना, अपने आप लिखो. यू डोंट हैव अ नोटबुक? Sorry? Can you write without screen? Yeah, why not? Why not? More than 3, 4, 5, please do write. So the idea is on the left side, you write what you love to do without phone. लिख लिया? Okay. You can write more than 3 also. इधर आओ. कौन सी क्लास में हो आप? यस यस आई एम आस्किंग यू. कौन सी क्लास में हो? फर्स्ट? सेकंड? सेकंड. ओके. व्हाट डू यू लव टू डू? प्ले विद योर ब्रदर. जो लिख सकते हैं वो लिखें, फटाफट लिखें. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. आप अपना देखो बेटा. डन. नाउ हैव यू फिल्ड द सेकेंड कॉलम ऑल्सो? सेकेंड भी लिखो जल्दी से. डन. 3 थिंग्स माई फोन थिंग्स आई लव बेस्ड ऑन वॉट आई वॉच. अंश कहाँ बैठा है आज? आज दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. कहाँ है? वन ऑफ द पार्टिसिपेंट. हैव यू, आर यू ऑल थ्रू? अच्छा, हु वुड लाइक टू शेयर? बताओ. आ जाओ आ जाओ. You too? Okay. Tell the first 3.
Here. 3 things I love doing in real life. I love reading books. I love playing and making new friends. And I love art. 3 things my phone thinks I love. I love online shopping. I love texting my friends for a long time. And I love playing video games.
On your usage. Okay, fine. Who else would like to share? आ जाओ. अच्छा आ जाओ. जो आना चाहते हैं 2-3 से सुनेंगे हम. सब आगे आ जाओ जो सुनाना चाहते हैं, जिससे कि आने में टाइम ना लगे. शेयर योर नेम एंड देन रीड आउट.
My name is Riditya. 3 things I like to do in my real life: play sports, sleep, and eat.
And?
Eat my favorite food my mother makes.
Favorite food and what your phone thinks you like?
3 things my phone thinks I love means I don't have a phone, my father's phone. Scrolling in Amazon just for fun, time pass. Google search and Nano Banana.
Okay, thank you.
Ritika. I love to play outside, reading books and singing.
Okay.
I do not read both things.
Okay, you do not have phone, you don't watch phone, huh? Okay, good. Yes.
My name is Shanmuka.
Listen to what he has to say.
My name is Shanmuka. I will go to piano class. I will play with my friends. I will go to park and play. I will help my mother in cooking. I will study for some time. I like to do cycling. I will play video games.
Okay. अच्छा, your phone thinks like you want to play games. Second column में कुछ और है? नहीं. Okay, good, very good, very good.
My name is Preet. Three things I love doing in real life is wakeboarding, dancing, and swimming. Three things I don't have phones on TV, YouTube, and OTT apps.
My name is Jaydeep, and three things I like to do in reality is playing piano, second, playing sports, and third, reading storybooks. And digital me is that I watch YouTube and create images.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Sai Manu. So I like the things doing in real me is drawing offline, chatting offline, doing adventures and cooking. In digital me, playing video games, watching reels or videos, doing drawings with phone. Thanks.
Thank you. अच्छा इतने सारे आ गए. अच्छा. One बता दो आप जल्दी से.
Real me, I like to do swimming, and digital me, I like to call my friends, but my mother calls first. In real life, I love to do swimming, chit chat with my friends, to study, play badminton, and learn Bhagavad Gita. In digital, I love to play Uno cards. And also watching the germs inside the bad items.
Very good, very good. Okay, you last.
Real me, I play badminton, play with my brother. I'll study for some time. And digital me, I'll play, I'll do exercise, and I'll do swimming.
Okay. How old are you? How old are you? Okay, you also want to say. अभी सुनते हैं. How old are you? 7 years old. अच्छा. What do you want to say?
Riddhi 4 class.
Okay. So what are you going to do here? You want to dance? Okay. Dance then. You sit. अभी मैं पूछती हूँ बाद में आपसे. Okay. You want to dance? Okay. Let's do one thing then. We will see her dance on a song. We will play the song. First, we will complete this. Okay? Okay. Okay, now. So now you see, in reality, what all you like. Do you actually, are you doing that? Do more of that. Okay? Do more of that. So there are 3 master keys, superpowers of the real avatar, the real you. You have the power to choose, okay, and exercise that choice. I'm going to give you 3 keys. The first key is the pause button. Whenever you feel like opening an app, pause, okay, and then ask yourself, am I choosing this? Or this is choosing me? We will ask questions later. Okay? So pause before you click, and then likeliness is that urge will pass over. Second is, are you with me? We are just finishing this session. Second is, if you spend time online, make sure the equal time you have to do something creative. Okay? If you are consuming, you have to create also. That's the deal. Okay? So be a creator first. And thirdly, the real world quest. Do you want your real avatar to level up? Right? Level up. And how you can level up in reality? How you can level up in reality? How you can become the better version of yourself? By learning new skills. Yes, angels. Angels, are you listening? Are you, any one of you listening? By reducing screen time. By? Okay, but if we have to level up, what we need to do? What we don't need to do, that's a different question. What we need to do? Like learn new skills, practice, make new friends, meet new people, yes. So, make real experiences, okay? Which digital avatar cannot do that. Fine. So, last thing that I would like to share with you, do not, ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप में से अब नहीं करना है. Do not keep your mobile on the dining area. Do you disinfect your mobile? Sanitize your mobile? Because mobile is the dirtiest thing. We carry it everywhere. Huh? Before eating, before having food, we wash our hands. But we can't wash our mobile phone like that, no? So we have to disinfect it. Okay, so that hygiene is also important. Do not carry your mobile into your bathroom. ऐसा कोई करता है क्या? I am not listening to them. Don't worry. Huh? Your dad carries. Ask him not to do that. Okay? Okay. And mobile should be kept at least 10 feet away when you are sleeping. Use mobile. You do not use mobile. Use alarm clock for alarm. And at least after you wake up, 1 hour after wake up and 2 hours before you sleep. चलो 1 hour कर लो. I bargain for you. ठीक है? Before you sleep, no phone. And अगर आपके घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनसे फोन को बिल्कुल दूर रखिए. Keep phone away from small kids. And 3 M's are there: mobile, mind, and meditation. This mobile distracts our mind, makes our mind restless. Meditation at the same time makes our mind calm, relaxed. ठीक है? Okay? And it improves our concentration also. So we cannot leave mobile these days. Use तो करना पड़ेगा ना? इसी तरह you cannot leave meditation also. Because we have to create that balance in life. That is why meditation has become a necessity in today's time. Because as mobile has become necessity, distractions हमारी life का part है, तो concentration and relaxation भी हमारी life का part होना चाहिए. Okay? So meditation is also important. आप सभी मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, मोबाइल मेरे लिए है, मैं मोबाइल के लिए नहीं. Parents, you also repeat. मोबाइल मेरे लिए है, मैं मोबाइल के लिए नहीं. समझ गए ना? जब भी फोन यूज करना है, यूज करते टाइम ये बात रिपीट करनी है, ये मेरे लिए है. आई एम थैंकफुल टू ऑलमाइटी. आई हैव द टेक्निकल थिंग्स, बट मैं इसके लिए नहीं हूँ. ठीक है? ओके, सो लेट्स मेक मोबाइल प्लेज in the form of meditation. Let's sit straight. Let's sit straight for 1 minute. One last minute. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Om Shanti. Now just try to visualize. Don't speak anything. Be silent. let's create silence in our mind. There is a silence of my mobile and my mind. Today I have realized technology is not the problem. Phone is not the problem. The problem is that compulsiveness. Because I am not exercising my power to choose. I end up taking phone on its own as if it is attracting me. It is pulling my attention towards it. But now I have understood I am the master of my attention. I have to safeguard my attention because I require this attention to learn new skills, to improve my concentration, to achieve success in whatever I do, whether it be sports or studies or music. If I want to use my brain, I have to relax my mind, stabilize my mind. And this is only by creating positive, empowering thoughts. I am the master of my attention. I am the child of Almighty God Father. He has blessed me with all the powers. I am very unique and special, sent here for a purpose. And that purpose is to pay attention to the right things. That helps me to improve my productivity, to improve my efficiency. I have a lot to contribute. I choose to pay attention on the right things. Nothing can distract me. Neither that mobile, nor those notifications. None in my peer group. No one can distract me. I am focused. I am disciplined. I choose. I have the power to choose. I stop. I pause and check within myself what is right for me. I use technology, but not with compulsiveness. Being the master of technology, I use it for learning new skills. But for entertainment, I have many friends. I go and play with them. I talk to my family members, prefer to spend time with them. I choose to have screen-free meals with my family. I am thankful to Almighty for this wonderful camp at the beginning of my vacations. This camp has really helped me to become my master of my mind and all things I do. Now throughout the vacations, I will choose what I will do and what I should not do. This is my real avatar, the real self. The master inside is awakened. I thank my parents for giving me this opportunity. I thank all teachers here, those who have guided me, helped shape my intellect in the right direction. Thank you, everyone. I'm feeling blessed. I got the direction. Om Shanti.